morning, everybody. Welcome back. Did you have a great long weekend? I did. I'm glad to see you guys today. Let's get started. When the bell rings, class starts. We use our listening ears, our hands to ourselves. We're ready to work. We're kind, and we are superstars. Let's do our hello. We have a handshake, a high five, or a hug. Let's do a hug. It's been a long time since I saw you guys last. Bring it in. Oh, it's good to see you. I'm so glad you're here. I hope you enjoyed your weekend, and let's have a great week. What do we do when we walk in a room, or walk into a restaurant, or walk into any place? We always stop, we look, we investigate. What are people doing? What should I be doing? We match. Oh, they're in line. I need my French fries. I'm going to go stand in line with them. I'm going to find the end of the line and stand there. And I enter. That's where I know where to go. What's our month? Our month is May. Our year is 2020. And today is not that one. I'm pointing to the wrong one. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. And tomorrow will be Wednesday. Let's turn this a bit. Whoops, there you are, seasick again. And scooch this down. The last time we met, we were clear back here on Friday, May 22nd. We have a lot of days to add in there today. So let's start with our first one. Our first one, if we go with our pattern, after the number sentence is always a story problem. So that's what we have today. Let's have a look. See that okay? Lynn has 3 cans of cat food. 3 of them are chicken flavor, the rest are fish. How many cans of food are fish? Our date is 23. So today is the 23rd. So let's solve our problem. Lynn has 6 cans of cat food. 3 of them are chicken. The rest are fish. How many cans of food are fish? Let's look at this. We happen to have a problem, huh? So here we have 6 cans of cat food. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you see there, little chicken legs on some of them? So we have 3 of them with chicken legs. How many, that's the chicken by the way, how many are fish cat food? 1, 2, 3. So our math problem would be 6 because we know we have 6. We're going to take 3 out because we knew we had 3 chicken flavor. What do we have left? 3 fish. All right. Put that up for Friday, May 23rd. And next was Sunday. So if we had a story problem, the next problem would be a number sentence. Let's read that one. 5 minus, take away or subtract, 5 minus 1 equals. Well, if I have 5 and I pull 1 out, what am I left with? 4. That's right. So that card is for Sunday, May 24th. We're almost there. We had a long weekend, so we weren't together on Monday. If Sunday was a number sentence, that means Monday is going to be another story problem. Let's read that one. Rico got some toys for his dogs. 3 of the toys were brown and 2 were blue. How many dog toys did he get? So if we look down here at our problem, our story problem said he had 3 toys that were brown and 2 toys that were blue. How many did he get all together? He got 5, didn't he? 3 plus 2 is 5. We had 3 brown ones and 2 blue ones. Put them all together, we had 5. So yesterday was Monday, May 25th. And here's our problem. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So now, today, finally, what kind of a problem are we going to do? We're going to do a number sentence. You're absolutely right. This number sentence says 3 plus 3 equals. If I have 3, let's see if we can do that. If I have 3 and I add 3 more, I could count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a lot of counting. So I could start with 3 and go 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3 is 6. And today's number card is the 26th. So today is Tuesday, May 26th, 2020. Took a lot of work to get there, didn't it? All right, let's move our camera over and we will do our base 10s and our links. Make sure you can see everything. All right. So the last time we were together, we had 152 days in school, right? And we had 9 days left. We had 2 blue or 1 links, and we had 150 of our 10 links. So let's put one in. Let's start with our link, shall we? We'll grab our link. So we have 2 plus 1. So let's count on. 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Nice counting. So we have 3 of our 1 links. And down here, we can count all of our 10 links. Let's angle that just a bit more. That way you can see it better. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 150, 51, 52, 53, 153 links. So if we know our links are 153, that means our base 10 blocks are going to have to match. So let's see if we can get them there. We have 100, so that's good. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s. We're all good there. So we need to add 1 of our 1s in. We had 2, and we're going to add 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Let's get rid of that 2. 2 goes, and we're going to put a 3 up here. So now, how many days have we been in school? 153. That's so many. Now we have to move down here. Remember, days left, we're taking out. Left means we're going to take out. We're looking for a difference. Last time we met it was 9, right? So we're going to take 1 out for today. If I have 9 and I take 1, what's left? 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. All right, 8 days left in school. Wow. Well, let's turn around and look at our book and our other problems for the day. We're going to, you can believe it or not, we've gone through almost all of our books. So we're going to review a few books this week and do a couple new stories. So the story we're going to review today is Apples from Farm to Table. I think you have a PowerPoint activity you've been doing with this one also. So we'll do a quick read on this, and in reading class we'll have some other activities we do with apples too, so you might want to join. Apples from Farm to Table by Paula Kramer. This book has photographs in it, so we don't have an illustrator or an artist drawing the pictures. Do you like apples? Apples are a good snack. They're good for you too. Look inside an apple. Do you see the seeds? The seeds can grow into apple trees. There is a new way to grow apples. New apples can grow from pieces of old ones. Every spring, flowers grow on the apple trees. When the flowers fall off, apples start to grow. So first you'll see flowers, then they'll fall to the ground, and then the apples will start to grow. Miss Mac has 2 trees that flower, and they're so pretty, and then all the petals fall all over the ground. And then they get covered on Sophie. She brings them in the house. Yikes. The apples grow bigger and bigger. Soon they will be ready to pick. Most of the time, workers pick the apples. Then they put the apples on a truck. The apples get washed and waxed. The wax helps keep them fresh. Next, workers pack the apples in boxes. After that's done, trucks take the boxes to stores. People who work at stores take the apples inside. The workers stack the apples so they look pretty. Which one would you buy? Green apples, yellow, red. We have some different color back here that look kind of orange. And that's the end. This next little story is a dairy treat. Now let's think about this. An apple is a fruit. It is not dairy. So I wonder what they're going to talk about here. Some of you guys love this treat. Yogurt. It's a tasty treat. Yogurt is a good snack. Read about how yogurt is made. First, milk is heated. The heat kills the bad germs. Second, yogurt starter is added. This makes the milk thick. Step 3, the milk is heated again. Step 4, the yogurt is cooled. Then fruit is mixed in. What is your favorite fruit inside yogurt? Some of you love cherries. Some of you love strawberries. I actually said cherries because that's the one I love. But I know I've seen several of you eat strawberry yogurt all the time. Step 5, the yogurt is poured into cups. Step 6, the cups are packed in boxes. Step 7, cooled trucks take the yogurt to stores. Cooled trucks. I wonder what that means. You know, when the trucks took the apples to the store, I wonder if they were cooled too. Kind of like a refrigerator on a truck, right? I think that's what that means. So we learned about 2 things today. How apples go from farm to table and how one of our favorite snacks are made. In reading, we'll watch a couple of videos about that too. Good book, huh? I always like it. Up here we have our storyboard, so let's look at that first. Scooch up. So first, they plant the seed. And it says you can plant it from pieces of apples, so maybe it'd be a fun experiment to try and plant a piece of an apple you've eaten in the ground and see what happens. Then the tree grows. It starts with flowers. Flowers fall off, and then the apples grow. Step 3, or the third piece, middle part of our story. Workers pick the apples. They put them into crates and load them on trucks. They're taken and washed, right? And waxed so that they can stay fresh. And then they're driven down trucks, unloaded from the truck into the store, and put in the store for you to buy. It's a lot of work for an apple, isn't it? Oops, I'm sorry. That was awful. Bounced you around. Our 2 vocabulary words. Delicious. Well, we know what that means. Delicious food. Let's see. Hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, apples, yogurt, smack like salad, tacos. Enormous. Last week we read a story about the enormous potato. Enormous is huge and big. This fort is enormous. And then we have our high frequency words. After. After the story, we'll do our math problem and knock knock joke. Every day till the end of the year, we will have a joke. Soon it will be summer. Buy. I love to buy apples. And done. When I'm all done with my lunch, I need to put my dishes in the sink. And work. Sometimes great things that are worthy of doing have some work. That was a terrible sentence. All right, let's move on. Miss Mac. Okay, here we go. Let's move to our last 2 pieces. We have our math problem and then our knock knock joke. There's a bit of a glare, so let's scoot up a little bit closer. All right. 7 plus 4 equals. Now this is where we're practicing our counting on. So we don't have anything for the 7. We have dots. We'll start seeing some other things in there instead of dots this week too. So we'll be watching for that. 7, now count on. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 7 plus 4 equals 11. How easy that is? All right, and our knock knock joke. Are you ready? I am. Here we go. Knock knock. Who's there? Pasture. Pasture who? Oh, past your bedtime, isn't it? All right, let's turn this around. Miss Mac is kind of silly. We're not doing graphs this week. Lucky you. We'll do some next week. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I look forward to seeing you possibly in reading or math. Definitely check in with you during check out. Have a wonderful day. Have some fun, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.